Hey guys, how's it going? How to create account on booking.com. So first of all, just go ahead and open up the booking website. And what you're gonna do here, you're gonna just go ahead into click on your avatar icon at the top right, basically, right? And as you can see, you will be able to see that I don't have an account. You can use the shortcuts by logging with Facebook, Google, or Apple, or you can continue with your email. In my case, I'm gonna just go ahead into continuing with my email, right? So basically, if you don't have an account, you can just go ahead and use one of these three options. I'm gonna just use one of these three options basically, and basically what I'm gonna do, they will direct me to the Facebook site, and I'm gonna give the I'm gonna give the authorization that I will need that I need to sign in with the account. And basically, after you give the authority to booking to have access to your account on Facebook, you're gonna be able to link it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.